Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to check if an employee has access to raise an allocation request within a project, the skill set and suitability of a resource before assigning him or her to an allocation request, how to view the cost details and other particulars within the People Allocation app of KEBS. An employee can be assigned the role of a project manager or team member by navigating to the respective project and selecting the Internal Stakeholders tab and clicking on the Allocate Resource button and by filling out the particulars. Here, the user can specify if the role to be allocated is of project manager or a team member. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the resource can be saved. Only the stakeholders within this tab can have access to raise an allocation request. Next, in order for a resource manager to view the suitability of a resource to be allocated based on skill, the skill suitability pop-up can be used by clicking the same in the allocation tab within the details view of the request. The cost details and other particulars can be viewed by clicking on the View More button. Thank you for watching.